in speaking your native language, why not? And they've always done this. A lot of our Miss Universe winners, marami naman ang nag-interpreter.
Okay.
So, hindi naman siya magiging kawalan kung mag-interpreter siya. Ako, gusto ko for her to do that. So that she's, I mean, if she's an interpreter, and then if she feels like she's comfortable answering it in English, then she can also, di ba ginagawa naman yun, she can opt to answer in English. Pero kung sa tingin niya, ay, baka mahirapan ako, Tagalog na lang, at least may interpreter na doon. Alam mo yun? And we've seen this before, may ibang countries na nag-interpreter sila parati. And then one time, hindi sila nag-interpreter because they wanted to siguro speak in English and marami sila nag-bash din na bakit interpreter. May times na makita natin, mas nahihirapan na i-express yung ideas because you are much more, you're thinking in your native language. So parang kailangan mo pa tuloy siyang i-translate